Selenite represents the spiritual purity, light, and connection to the angelic realms. It is one of the most sacred crystals. The name selenite derives from the Greek goddess Selene, the goddess of the moon. Welcome to the Chakra Shop, 5034 North Lincoln. This is Blanche Blacke, founder, chakra healer, master, and creator of the Chakra Shop.
Hi there, this is Andreas, and today we will be talking about selenite, our featured crystal. Andreas will be explaining about the qualities of the selenite.
And shapes.
And I will be demonstrating how to use it for healing in just a few minutes. Andreas?
Thank you. Thank you. So this is a selenite wand in the traditional form. This is a selenite wand that's been carved. And these are used to cut the cords from the past, bring in the light of the crown chakra, the third eye, sixth chakra, crown chakra, and all the realms above. You can have it as a palm stone, and you rub this stone and meditate, and you can bring in the wisdom from above just through meditation and ask the oracles, ask your higher forms to give you wisdom. It comes in hearts and spheres. It brings in the color. It does not need to be cleared or cleansed because it clears and cleanses the other stone. So you can initially smudge it, but you don't need to clear it or cleanse it from that point on because it is the clearing stone and has the energy of clearing and cleansing. The traditional form of the selenite tower is often used in an array of crystals to keep them all clear and cleansed. Healers use these. It is also used to align all the chakras for connection to the angelic realm and alignment. So Blanche will take us into our healing space and talk about how to heal now.
I'm Blanche Blacke, and I'll be demonstrating how to use the selenite in various ways to raise your vibration, to clear away negative energies, and do self-healing. So first of all, I have the spiral here. The spiral is a great shape for connecting the upper realms of vibrational frequencies of the angelic realm into the seventh chakra, directing the energy into our whole chakra system. So we want to do this in a meditative state. So get relaxed in a comfortable space, and maybe with some soft music, and you put the spiral right on top of the head. And some people say, I look like a unicorn when I do this. So you can relax and breathe and allow the vibrational frequencies to energize your whole body. So you want to do this for about 10 minutes. And just allow that. I can actually feel this now all the way through my body to my knees, legs, and feet. I'm actually feeling a tingle going through me as this energy is coming into my body, like the chills coming down, all the way down to my feet, is energizing. Now we have a selenite sphere. It's wonderful for sixth chakra to use for scrying. What's scrying? That's gazing into a sphered shape, clear or clearish, like selenite has cloudy spots and it has clarity in it. And so we want to gaze into this and allow your eyes to sort of unfocus. And ask your angels to show you what you need to know that day. And see if you see in your mind's eye, through the selenite sphere, images or thoughts may come to your mind about the day ahead. Perhaps you'll get a warning, or perhaps you'll see a positive thing that will help lift you up. Next we have this selenite heart shape. And the heart shape we can actually use right at the heart chakra. So we're going to place this really close to the body now, right at the heart. And breathe in this high vibration and the light into the heart. Oh, our heart chakra can be filled with light. It can be filled with love. It can be filled with empathy and compassion. Or there can be resentment, bitterness, jealousy, anger, revenge in the heart chakra. All of us have those light and dark energies in the heart. And so the selenite can help us clear that negativity. So right now I'm going to demonstrate how to cut negative energy, cut cords between those people who you might not want to be associated with anymore, or pulling out negative energy from an argument or bad feelings, or just any negative energy from your chakra system. So we have two kinds of wands that do that. We have the carved shape. This is actually carved in the shape of a knife with the chakra symbols on it. And then we have the natural crystal. This is how it grows, like this shape. And this is, we call this a selenite wand. And these wands are also very good. So they're both good at cutting the cords. So I'm going to start out using this wonderful carved shape. And I'm going to go at my 7th chakra. And say you want to release some negative energy with somebody that you love. So you want to keep the cord attached. So it's a different motion when you're releasing negative energy with somebody you want to continue to be connected with, or when you really want to just walk away from a specific person or event. Okay, this can also be an emotional event in your past. So when you go to the 7th chakra, I always start at the 7th chakra and work my way down and ground in the energy. So at 7th chakra, say I want to stay connected with somebody, yet there's been some negativity. And so we want to imagine that their 7th chakra and our 7th chakra are connected. And we go through the chakras in terms of, what the chakra represents. So 7th chakra represents our connection to source energy and our belief systems. It is our global, I say, operating system in life. And sometimes we have different opinions and perspectives from other people, but we still want to respect them as best we can. So in that motion, if we want to stay connected to somebody, it's sort of a circular motion. It's a circular motion at 7th chakra. To circular and unwind any negativity. We want to unwind the negativity. And we can also use this wand that's in a natural shape to unwind that. While we have different perspectives, I want to release any negative energy that might be between us from past events, from emotional energy that's negative. We do that in a circular motion. We want to go through each chakra. 3rd eye is our intuition. 5th chakra, often there's negative energy that we have. We're holding our tongue, we're biting our tongue, we're not expressing things to them. So we want to unwind that negativity so we can speak gently and kindly and lovingly to them. And the heart chakra, oh, there's a lot in there. Oh, we want to be in the love, so we want to unwind that negativity. And 3rd chakra is our power center, and we want everyone to feel empowered. 2nd chakra is our sexuality. We want to release any negativity from there. And 1st chakra is our sense of safety and security. So we want to unwind any negative energy with those that we love and still want to have in our lives. Now say you've broken up with someone and it's really negative and you really don't want to connect with that person, at least right now. Maybe in the future, but right now I just want to walk away, okay? So that we want to actually cut the cord. We're going to cut that energy. We're going to cut it at 3rd eye. We're going to cut it at throat. We're going to cut it away. Sometimes we really want to, there's some real negativity in there. I want to just get rid of that energy and 3rd chakra and get rid of that fight. And let's just get rid of it and get rid of it and cut those cords and let it be done.
Hi.
Thank you for watching.
we invite you to come to the Chakra Shop and experience these crystals for yourself in person
And we also have classes on learning how to use the crystals.
this month. So come on in.